Windows Update error 0x80070005. Access denied. Here are 8 proven fixes that actually work.
Error 0x80070005 means access denied. Windows Update cannot access required files, folders, or registry entries because the system lacks the necessary permissions. This can happen when files are locked, registry keys are corrupted, or third-party antivirus software is interfering with the update process.
Fix number 1. Run as administrator. Windows Update requires administrator privileges to modify system files. Restart your computer and log in with an admin account. If needed, enable the built-in administrator by running the net user command in command prompt.
Fix number 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This built-in tool automatically detects and fixes common update issues. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run.
Fix number 3. Reset permissions on the component store. This is Microsoft's official first step. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the icacls command to reset permissions on the WinSX S software distribution folders. Then set Trusted Installer as the owner of the WinSX S folder. Restart your PC and try again.
Fix number 4. Reset Windows Update components. Stop the Windows Update service, bits, and cryptographic services. Then rename the software distribution and catroot2 folders to create fresh backups. Finally, restart all 3 services. This clears the corrupted download cache and gives you a clean start.
Fix number 5. Repair system files with DISM and SFC. Always run DISM first. Type DISM with the Restore Health option to repair the component store. Then run SFC with the Scanow option to fix corrupted system files. Restart your computer after both commands complete successfully.
Fix number 6. Check your third-party antivirus. Security software can lock update files and block Windows Update from accessing system directories. Temporarily disable your antivirus, or if that does not work, uninstall it completely. Microsoft's built-in Windows Defender is safe and will not cause this error.
Fix number 7. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows key plus R, type emsconfig, and press Enter. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Disable all startup items too. Restart your computer and try Windows Update in this clean environment.
Fix number 8. Download the update manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. Note the KB number of the failing update, then visit catalog.up2.com. Search for that KB number, download the correct MSU file for your system, and double-click to install it directly. This bypasses Windows Update entirely.
Now, let us look at why this error happens. The most common cause is that the Trusted Installer service lost permissions on the WinSX folder. Other causes include corrupted registry permissions on the CBS servicing key, third-party antivirus locking update files, group policy restrictions in corporate environments, malware that damaged system files, a non-administrator user account, or a corrupted software distribution cache folder.
To prevent this error from coming back, always use an administrator account for updates. Keep Windows fully updated and do not defer updates for months. Add Windows Update folders to your antivirus exclusion list, avoid registry cleaners, and run a monthly SFC scan to catch issues early.
That covers all 8 fixes for Windows Update error 0x80070005. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.